Like Evolving Stories is garnering millions of views by crafting engaging AI stories on their TikTok account. Another notable creator, Luminous Tales, is employing the same method to produce AI stories, amassing 158K followers. Moving on to Instagram, the Alpha Mindset boasts an impressive 316K followers. Wondering how you can do this using your iPhone? Let's dive in and get started. Step 1. Creating an AI avatar. You have the option to use your own picture. But in this video, I'll generate my AI avatar using Leonardo AI and Bing Image Creator. To begin, create a free account on the official Leonardo and Bing Image Creator website. Click on the AI Image Generation button. Next, select a model such as 3D Animation or Dreamshaper V7. Then click on Image Guidance and activate it. Upload an image and select the image-to-image type. Now, paste or type your prompt. I'll share this prompt with you in the video description. Additionally, paste this prompt into Bing Image Create to generate an even better AI avatar for our video. If you're not getting good results, try generating a better avatar again. Keep generating until you find an image that satisfies your expectations. Once you have one, download it and transfer the image to your iPhone. Step 2. Turn your image into a talking photo. Open the App Store on your iPhone and in the search bar type Talkii Magic Photo Talk. Download, install, and open the application. The Talkii app is incredibly simple to use. You can utilize the hot templates or simply click on Generate Talking Photo. Choose any template you prefer, then click on Create New. Select the AI avatar photo we created in the first step and proceed by clicking on the Complete button. The Talkii app offers 3 voiceover options. The first is the text-to-audio feature, the second involves voiceover using the mobile microphone, and the third is a video option, where you can use audio from any other video. First, I'm using the text-to-audio option. Feel free to choose any option that suits you to create your own audio voiceover file. Kindly type or paste your script for your AI talking video, or use ChatGPT to create a professional video script. For an enhanced audio experience, Talkii offers various premium male and female character voices. I highly recommend using this app for optimal voice quality and variety in your video narration. Finally, click on the Generate Video button to initiate the rendering process and await the results. With these simple steps, you can create a talking avatar effortlessly. The intuitive process allows you to bring your content to life using customizable features and various voice options. Create your ideal talking avatar with ease, and watch your script come alive in a stunning video presentation. Once the video creation process is complete, click on the Save button to save this AI avatar video in the iPhone gallery. Alternatively, click on the Share button to directly share it with your friends. Here are some demo videos that I created using Talkii Appy.
Welcome to the Saeed AI channel. Today, we're excited to showcase a demo video that highlights the power of artificial intelligence. Join us as we explore the fascinating world of AI and its incredible potential. Let's dive right in and witness AI technology in action.
Let's create another AI talking avatar using a different face photo with the Talkii iPhone app. Repeat the Step 2 process to generate the avatar video. Always use a clear, portrait-style face photo when creating an AI talking avatar video. The image should be high quality and well-defined for better results.
Creating an AI talking avatar involves several key components and technologies. These avatars are often used in applications such as virtual assistants, video games, customer support, and more.
To add captions or subtitles, import your video into the CapCut video editing app. Select the video, click on Text, choose the Auto Caption button, select the language, and then hit the Create button. To switch the auto caption to professional mode, click on the template, choose a specific template, go to the effects, select the font style, increase the font size, and spend more time perfecting the style. Once you're done, click on the Export button. That's all.
Welcome to the Saeed AI channel. Today, we're excited to show.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this content, consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest uploads.